know, prevention is better than cure. Noni fruit, popularly known as Indian mulberry, is rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin B3, vitamin A, and iron. Noni is a miraculous fruit. It boosts immune system. It is helpful in asthma, arthritis, and BP. Get all immune booster in form of capsule at amazing price. Use of Noni Juice and Virowin can help you prevent from corona. Virowin is antiviral, antibacterial immunobooster. Daily dose will help you prevent your family. To place an order, visit Gifthykoko.com.